Yeah, this is breaking news. Sunday Igboho lost his mother. Now, Yoruba Nation agitator Sunday Adeyemo, popularly known as Sunday Igboho, has lost his mother. Mrs. Adeyemo died on Saturday. Sunday Igboho lamented in a social media post that he did not want her to leave the world yet. The agitator, who has been unable to leave Benin Republic since his arrest and arraignment in 2021, said his mother's death was too much to bear. My heart is heavy. I do not want to leave you just yet. I don't want you to leave just yet. I'm left alone in this complicated world. Mama me. Who would I turn to? It is hard for me to say goodbye. Otutu mumi. The cold is catching my hand of death. The cold hands of death took it wriggles out from its dark depth and snatched you away. Mama me. This is too much for me to bear. Too much, as he wrote. Sunday Igboho. Now, according to Sunday Igboho's Instagram page, it says on social media, my heart is heavy. I do not want you to leave just yet. I'm left alone in this complicated world. Mama me. Who would I turn to? Well, you will turn to God, as God has been helping you. It is hard for me to say goodbye. The cold hands of death took his wriggles out from its dark depth and snatched you away. Mama me. According to Sunday Igboho, this is too much for me to bear. I think too much. Well, if it's too much for you to bear, well, it's too much. Well, I accept my condolence and accept every good will of Mama. Mama will rest in peace. Well, Sunday Igboho's spokesman Olayomi Koiki tweeted, I can confirm today, Saturday, 22nd of July 2023, that Dr. Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho mother died. Oh yeah. It's a painful something, a painful something painful. But notwithstanding, according to Koiki, he said Sunday Igboho spokesperson Olayomi Koiki said, I can confirm today, Saturday, 22nd of July 2023, that Dr. Chief Sunday Adeyemo aka Sunday Igboho Ekun. Rumor that don't get fried rice. Oh my! But so painful that Sunday Igboho is in Benin Republic and his mother is dead. Yeah, can he attend the ceremony? I'm not sure about that, but media mogul Daily Momodu Mond in social media posts also says according to Daily Momodu says may Allah grant Aljono Firdaus. Me. My sincere condolences to the Adeyemo family, as he wrote. It is unlikely Sunday Igboho would be able to attend a burial. I don't know what that is, but TINUBU, TINUBU as the Jagaban that you are, because Sunday Igboho's release would enhance his mental state to attend his mother funeral. But if TINUBU does not jabura and does not understand what it is, to have a mother and, make sure the mother after death, now you will be son go bury am. Or thereabout. That's how I can put it. At least I can speak Yoruba. I still understand few of the Yorubas. May Mama so rest in peace. Ekpele Akoni Igboho Sha. Osha Raymond. Osha Igboho Sha. Oluwa.